How to use Keepow Reusable Vacmop Replacement Pads. Reusable Vacmop Pads and Dirt Chamber. The Vacmop pads are made of microfiber and nylon for excellent stain removal and water absorption. Align the pad with the red line of the dirt chamber and do not cover the air inlet. Align the Vacmop with the dirt chamber slot. Effectively clean various hard floors. Ideal for removing animal hair and dirt. Also great for removing stubborn stains. Press the button to remove the pad and dirt chamber. Dirt chamber can be opened and emptied for reuse. These pads are machine washable. Make sure they are absolutely dry before use. Dirt chambers need to be rinsed regularly with fresh water, depending on frequency of use.